Okay, where am I gonna put 20? All right, students, it is almost summertime. That means summer off. Now, when you got the summer off, a lot of times you kind of forget things, 2 months off is a pretty long time. So I'm gonna give you some math games to keep working on those skills throughout the summer. Now today, I'm not gonna give you one math game, not two, but 3 math games. 3 math games today. Okay, the first game we're gonna learn about is called Triple Jack. Now, this game is a lot like Blackjack, where all you need is a deck of cards. But this game can be played with 1 player. Let me show you how it works. Okay, so in this game, all you need is a deck of cards, but I want you to go through your cards, and I want you to take out all the face cards. So, all the cards kind of like this. Oh, 6, you belong in there. Take them out. You should only have ace to 10 in here. So ace will equal 1. Okay? Shuffle your deck up really good. Then put the pile at the front like this. So this game is very similar to Blackjack if you've ever played it. But in this game, the goal is to create 20. Because learning how to make 20 will help us in our other math skills. So it's called Triple Jack for a reason, because you're going to make 3 sets of 2. So let's flip over 3 sets. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I got 10 and a 2, which makes it 12. I got 9 and 9, which is 18. And 3 and a 10. Now, the interesting part about this game is after you've dealt your cards, you can trade them up if you want. The goal is to make 20. So what would be the best way to make 20? If I traded my 10 and my 2, I can make it 20. So I do that right here. Boom. 20. Take these off. Put them right here. I made 1 set of 20. Okay. Let's see here. 9 plus 9, 18. So I'm pretty close to going over 20. If you go over 20, you bust, and you kind of just wipe it to the side. So this one might bust, but if I trade them again, I might have a good chance to get 20. So let's trade my 9 for my 2. Okay, now let's try. So let's deal again. There's a 10. 9 plus 2 plus 10 is 21. Oh, I bust. So pull that one to the side. Let's do this one here. 9 plus 5 plus 3, 17. So I just need a 3 to do it. Bust. Okay, so I busted both of them. Take those cards to the side. Now, let's deal again. So, deal another 3. Can I get 20 anywhere here? 9 plus 7, 16. I'm 4, I'm close. I think I'm going to stay. Okay, let's deal again. Okay, so this one, 7 plus 3 plus 9 equals 19, so I'm 1 off. Here, 4 plus 6 plus 8, 18, 2 off. 6 plus 5 is 11, 14. So my best chance to get 20 might be on this one. I can trade, or I can stay and deal again and see if I luck out and get 20. I'm going to stay. Oh, that one busts. All right, so this one, I'm going to need a 2. Come on, 2. Bust. And this one, 9 plus 7 plus 3, which means I'm going to need an ace to win this one. Oh, and I bust with 1 to the side. So in this game, you're going to keep going until you go through all the cards in the deck.
The goal is to make as many 20s as possible. When you're done, put the cards all back together, shuffle them really good, start all over. Let's see how many 20s you can make.
Okay, this next game is called Zero Blocks. It's going to be similar to some games you've probably played before. I think one's called is How Close to 100 You Can Get. In this one, what you're going to need is a partner, a hundreds chart or a hundreds grid. So this is 10 by 10 grid. And some dice and something to write or color with. Now, the way this game works is, first off, you will roll your 2 dice to create a number. So say I created a 2 and a 5. So 2 times 5, 10. So on your little chart, you would fill out 10 squares. So say I filled out these squares here, I would color it. And then below here, what I would do is I would subtract 10 from 100. So on my side, I would do 100 minus 10. Then the other player will go, and then they will do the same over here. And you go until you can't fill up any more blocks, and it's whoever is the closest to 0 wins. You know what? Let's go to the demo. I think my brother wants help with this one. Okay, I got my brother here, and we are going to teach you how to play Zero Blocks. Did you make this? Yeah, I made it. I made an oversized 100 chart to teach you how to better play the game. Was it all messed up? Do you even know how to measure? Okay, let's get started. So I'm going to go first. Why do you get to go first? What do you mean, why? They want to see me. They like me better. They don't even believe you exist. Come on, none of my students do. You know what? Fine. Go first. Go first. Okay. I'm going first. Okay. 3 times 5, 15. Okay, let me put that right here. Okay, my turn. All right. Here we go. 8. Okay. 100 take away 8 equals 92. Okay, now I'm gonna put that right here. 2 times 4. My turn. Now usually when you play you would fill in the entire block, but I'm just going to outline it to make the game go a little bit faster. And then I'm going to write the equation inside, 2 times 4, which is kind of an array. So your array is 8. Okay, your turn. Okay, thank you. 6, are you serious? Small number again. Put it up there. Okay, my turn. Okay, big number, big number, big number, big number. 5 times 4, 20. Woo! Okay, where am I going to put 20? Oh, let's see. Oh, let me do my math first. 92 take away 20 equals 72. Okay, and then I'm going to put it right here. 1, 2, 3, 5. 5 times 4. Come on, come on. Big number, big number, big number, big number, big number, big number, big number. All right, okay, your turn. 3 times 3, 9. Another small number, another small number. Okay, let me go again. Okay, another 8. What do you know? 72 take away 8 equals 64. Okay, I'm going to put this one, I guess I'll put this one right here.
As I was editing this video, I realized my brother never actually did his math in front of us. You know, because sometimes you get friends or siblings that just don't know how to play fair. I know how to play, I'm just too smart to write it down. Yeah, sure, that's it. Anyway, here is my brother's math.
Okay, your turn. Come on, Taco Master, give me a big number. Taco Master. 5 times. Yes! Oh. 20! Okay, you have got to be joking me. Alright. Okay, I don't think I have a lot of room.
2,000 years later.
what we gotta figure out is which one of us is closest to 0. So, I finished with
64.
64, that one doesn't count. With 50? I win, finally! Yes! Thank you, Taco Master, thank you. Okay, this final game is called Knockout. What you're gonna need is a partner, some dice, and something to write on. So something to make a little chart like this. Player 1, player 2. Now, before you play, the first thing you need to do is you need to decide how many rounds you're gonna play for. So usually 10 rounds is a good number to go with. You can go for more if you want. The way this game works is player 1 will roll their dice. Say they roll it and they get a 2 and a 6, so 8. They would write 8 down in their spot. Then player 2 will go. Now, the reason this game is called Knockout is if you roll the 2 dice and you get the number 7, you lose all your points and you gotta start from the scratch. So, even if you've played and you're on round 9 and you've gotten like 8, 10, 12, 9, 8, and if you get a 7 here, you'll lose it all. And you gotta start from scratch, even if it's round 9 or 10. So that's why it's called Knockout. Let's watch a little demo to figure it out.
Okay, this game is called Knockout. So you need your dice, something to write with, player 1, player 2. In this example, we are going to play 10 rounds. So that means there's going to be 10 different numbers all the way down. The goal is to have the most points at the end of 10 rounds. Got to add them all up. So first player, roll their dice. 5. 5. Player 2, roll your dice. 12. Player 1, roll your dice again. 3. Now, if any one of us gets a 7, it erases the whole thing and we're knocked out to the beginning. So 6 and 5 plus 11. So right now, player 2 is doing really well, even though I'm playing by myself. 7. So I just got 7, so that means cross it off. I now have 0 points. So it's 0 against 23. So player 2 can go. 5 and a 4. They got 9. So since a 7 can knock you out, you can easily come back, even in the 9th round. So player 1, 10. Player 2. Player 2 got 7. Cross it off. Now player 1 is in the lead with 10 to 0. So you're going to go all the way down until the 10th round. Whoever has the most points at the end wins. If you don't get any 7s and you have all your numbers, you have to add them all up. Biggest number wins.
So there you have it. 3 math games for you today. Not 1, not 2, but 3. So you learn how to play a triple jack, you learn how to play 0 blocks, and you learn how to play knockout.
Well, class, this wraps up a very interesting, weird, and kind of amazing school year. I hope you enjoyed playing math games with me. If you want to continue to learn with me, then keep following my channel. Until next time, this is Mr. T out.